Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some baked chicken. Okay, so in my bowl I've got some leg and thigh skin on. These are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. But guys, if you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can always use whatever seasoning you have at home, okay? So I'm just gonna take my fork, guys, and I'm gonna poke my chicken, okay? Because the reason why I'm poking it, I'm doing like a Nando'S inspired chicken. Yes, similar. So I want when I blend up all my herbs that all the flavor go right through. Yes, so that's why. My chicken is already washed, it's clean, okay? So just before I season my chicken, I'm just gonna add some salt, just a pinch of salt. You don't need a lot. Then I'm gonna add at least 3 spoonfuls of olive oil. You can always use vegetable oil just to keep the chicken nice and moist, okay? Yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna add my seasoning. So I'm just gonna blend it up a bit. Then I'm gonna add it all to my chicken. And then I'm just gonna take my nice clean hand and you're just gonna massage all that seasoning all over on your chicken, okay? Make sure that everything is all combined because you want your chicken to be nice and full of flavor. Yes, you can always use a gloves. So these are all of my herbs. You're gonna need 1 onion and 2 of the long sweet pepper, okay? Yes, and that's the red one. And I'm also gonna add 1 orange sweet pepper, a small amount of fresh thyme, and some scotch bonnet pepper just off. You don't need a lot because otherwise it's gonna be too spicy. You can always add some garlic, okay? So I'm just gonna blend up all my herbs. So guys, I'm just gonna cut it all up, okay? Because I don't want to add it to my blender and it is big. Yes, so it's best you cut it up in small pieces. I'm gonna add 1 lemon to my blender. So you're just gonna squeeze it out, okay? So guys, what the lemon juice is gonna do is gonna add such a freshness to your chicken. So that's the reason why I'm adding it. It is totally optional, okay? So I'm gonna add just 1/4 cup of water to my blender, okay? You don't need a lot. It's just for it to loosen it up. Yes. So now I'm just gonna blend it all up, okay? Make sure it is all smooth. Yes. So guys, it is nicely blended, and that's exactly how you want it. You see that color? Perfect. It looks just like Nando's sauce from the bottle. Yes, but this is just homemade. So what I'm doing, I'm adding at least 3 to 4 spoonful of my olive oil to my jug, okay? And you just want to mix it so everything will all combine. Yes. So now I'm gonna add all my blended herbs all over on my chicken. And guys, I'm telling you, I just love the color. It looks so good. You see this recipe? You guys are gonna love it. It's super delicious. Trust me. So guys, you don't have to use all your sauce. You can just leave back a bit, okay? So now you're just gonna take your hand and you're just gonna mustard that sauce all over on your chicken, and you can always leave it to marinate, okay? Yes. So guys, now that I have my baking tray there, and to my baking tray I add some foil paper, and I also add in some olive oil on top of my foil paper, and you just want to take your hand and just rub it all over, okay? So now I'm just gonna add my chicken. Make sure it is all spaced out. Yes. Then I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 45 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. Okay, so stay tuned. So I'm just adding some of my sauce that I had left back, and I'm just adding it on top of my chicken. Then guys, I'm gonna put it straight in my oven. Okay, so stay tuned. So I just removed my chicken from the oven, and that's what it looks like. It looks super delicious. So now I'm just taking all that liquid and pour it all over on my chicken so it is nice and moist, okay? So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And it is finished. Yes. Make sure your stove is not turned up too high. Yes. So I'm just adding some of my fresh thyme all over on my chicken. So my chicken is nicely cooked, guys, and I'm telling you, it is so nice, so tender, so juicy. This recipe, guys, is a must try. It is so yummy. Can you see how nicely it cooked as I'm cutting it? Guys, please share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. I worked so hard just to get this video out for you guys. So please, please support my channel. And if you have been supporting my YouTube channel, I thank you all so, so, so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. And if you try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? So it is all plated up, guys. You can serve it with some white rice, with some mashed potato, with some salad, whatever you preferred. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Love ya.